of them were bending in the wind, you know. Look, the wires are still down there with the bell and cable and stuff. Yeah, at least they got the power back up to the top there. Wires that are under tension, yeah, see, they just snapped. See you soon. Love you too. Yeehaw. Good girl. Yeah, good girl. Yes. Yeah. What a beautiful day today, though. It's cold, but really nice. Hey, everybody. Okay, so hi. In the last couple of years since we've lived here, the power's gone out, and in order to try that again. All right, since I've lived here, the power's gone out I don't know how many times, but last winter there was 2 periods of 3 days during the winter. So that kind of sucked. So I've been looking into, I'd love to have a wood fireplace or something, but unfortunately something like that actually costs a bit of money that I don't actually have, and also the insurance costs and such would go up, which I'm not too keen on just yet. Anyways, so looking into all kinds of stuff and figured, well, since we can, I'll show you what that is. I don't know what that is, but blew around, I guess, in the wind. Okay, so we decided that maybe getting a generator would be a good thing. I have a small inverter, 120 watt inverter that I was using in the pickup to try to at least keep the heat lamp on for McTurtles the last time the power went out. So this time, well, anyway, we got a generator. We figured we'd get a generator. The power went out the other day, like you'll see, or like you saw at the beginning of this video. There was a big outage. Anyways, a number of telephone poles were down. I was amazed they got everything up in a day. But inspired the purchase. So here we go. So that's what this video is about. So far I like it. I've liked the reviews that I've seen. Looks like Champion's a good brand, and it's maybe a little bit big or a little bit small depending. So it's a little bit big if we're not running heat. It's a little bit small if we're running heat, but at least we can have a space heater going. And we're thinking of supplementing that with some sort of kerosene heater or something. I think might be a good idea. Well, again, today was actually planned works, but it's pretty cold. So anyway, I was happy to have the generator, plug in the space heater, and all in all, for the 3-hour outage, it did a pretty good job. I guess we'll keep walking around a little bit. So far the generator seems pretty good. Tried it and it started first pull, which is pretty amazing, I find. And it seems to run smooth, and anyway, it does what it needs to do. Something that maybe I didn't think of too much while I watched some videos and stuff, but anyways, is that would be good to know is that, like, for example, the front door on my house, it's a piece of garbage and is missing a bunch of its insulating strips and stuff. So it wasn't too big of a deal to actually you know, just pass it under the door, but I do plan on changing the door very soon because a lot of cold air comes in. Anyways, yeah, life is crazy, and so here we are. Oh yeah, I guess what I was getting at about the generator things that I've learned, I'm definitely going to put some sort of receptacle outside so that I could plug it in outside and have it backfed into the electric panel. It'd be fun to have regular lights and be able to watch TV and the computer and whatnot. So anyway, that's the plan. I guess I'll wait till summertime for that, but at least for now, we've got things powered, and there we have it. So, all right.